the question is, how can we utilize all that we know about life, all that we know about like the magical aspects of manifestation and universal laws, to perpetuate our business in a way that feels good and really sets everybody that we interact with up to thrive? Because that's where we want to be. Yeah, that's what we want to do. Yeah, we want to elevate everybody, so nobody that comes into contact with our business feels hard done by. Nobody feels like they've lost something. I want everybody that does business with me to feel a gain in some way, shape, or form. Yeah. So we can do that in a few ways. One of the ways is to really connect with them on an energetic heart level. And that's quite easy to do. You know, like a lot of my work incorporates energy work. And so when you can just go into your heart space, when you can go into your heart space and just be here now at one with all that you are, then you can connect with other people's energy by bringing them into view in your mind. You can visualize these people, and you can literally just send them an energetic hello that they will feel. I guarantee that they feel it. I have been in meetings where I have just grounded everybody within the meeting, and everybody has felt more easeful. Yeah, and this is what I teach my clients to do. And then, of course, when we're talking about manifestation, so you've got your goals, you know, whether they're weekly goals, monthly goals, quarterly goals, yearly goals, whatever that is. When, as a leader, as an entrepreneur, you can hold that vision, and you can take yourself into the parallel reality where you already have everything that you want. Then the steps of how to get there just slip into place so easily. When you actually be that version of you, that's how you manifest the reality of the clients, the reality of the happy team, of the easeful working. When you hold yourself and you carry yourself, and you have no doubt that you're going to get there. You have no doubt that your business will succeed and it will be successful. And you have no doubt that you are providing something of immense value, something of immense worth in the world. When you have that attitude, business feels easier. You're not stressing because you're not going after somebody else's idea of success. You have your own idea of success. And that idea of success is based upon how you feel. It's not even necessarily the monetary amounts, although that can be a very good goal to aim for. It's more about how you feel, how your people feel, how you collaborate with others, how you interact with others. Yeah. So when you can really get that feeling, when you can live in that vision, yeah. So you are actually coming from it from a way of seeing through the eyes of the version of you that already has the thing. So it's not like looking at a movie screen and seeing that version of you. It's embodying that version of you. Yes. So you meditate, you visualize, whatever, even when you're just doing affirmations, and you're just embodying the person that already has it. That's how you do it. You do it from the inside out. So you're not just looking at the successful version of you. You are looking through the successful version of you. You're looking as the successful version of you. Yeah. I got that wrong for a while, so I hope that you really understand that, because I guarantee it will be a game changer. Yeah, so when you can really embody that vision, that person, and you connect to your team, you connect to your clients, you connect to your suppliers in that energetic state first, before you even meet them, before you have a meeting, you connect energetically first. Business is different. Business is different. That's all I can say. It's different in a good way. Much, much better. So I hope that clarifies a few things for you. Like the law of attraction, the law of assumption, they are so similar. They're so connected. I really wouldn't stress about which one you're doing. The most important thing is to live in the state of being the person who already has it. What would that person be thinking? What would that person be doing if that person was in your situation now? Yeah, what steps would they be taking? That's how you manifest. That's how you bring manifestation into your business. That's how you bring the laws of the universe into your business. Knowing that whatever you put out there will always come back to you. Even if you put it out in one direction, it can come back from another, and that's fine. We're all connected. So everything is us. But that's kind of going into a different talk, I guess. Which maybe I'll go into at a later date. Who knows? But yeah, I hope that has clarified something and helped somebody. Okay, cheers. Bye.